Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use melatonin for jet lag. Melatonin is a natural hormone your body produces, crucial for regulating your sleep-wake cycle. When you travel across time zones, this cycle gets disrupted, leading to jet lag symptoms. Taking melatonin can help signal to your body that it's time to sleep, assisting in resetting your internal clock more quickly. We'll cover the best practices for effective use. Timing is everything when using melatonin for jet lag. The goal is to take it at your destination's intended bedtime, not your home time. If you're traveling eastward, you'll want to take it earlier in the evening to help you fall asleep sooner. For westward travel, you might take it later to delay sleep. This helps shift your body's clock to the new time zone.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. And on another note, life's too short for cheap socks, especially when traveling. Go darn tough with their amazing lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. Check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
When it comes to dosage, less is often more with melatonin. Many experts suggest starting with a very low dose, such as 0.5 to 1 milligram. Higher doses, like 3 to 5 milligrams, don't necessarily work better and can sometimes lead to more side effects. Always consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage for your specific needs. To maximize melatonin's effectiveness, combine it with good sleep hygiene. This means creating a dark, quiet, and cool environment for sleep. Avoid caffeine and alcohol close to bedtime, as they can interfere with sleep quality. Also, expose yourself to natural light during the day at your destination to help reinforce your new sleep-wake cycle. These steps work together for better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.